too sure what to expect, but I think the thing that's very convincing is like I've seen the work, seen the before and after, how he transform people, and it's like if he can transform my hairline and like the hair concerns I have, like I think I'll be a lot happier. So that's why I decided to give it a shot, and then like slowly after 1 week, second week and all that, you start to feel like even you can actually feel like you're getting closer to the final. So that's the exciting thing. Thank you.